reviews.
When it comes to quality, Everlast is really where it's at. Everlast wrist wraps, when you start talking about wrist support, this is where it's at. Love these because of how durable they are, and then at the same time, they're not as thick. So when you're first learning how to punch properly, I mean, it's a learning curve. You're gonna do it, wrong. When you're not wearing your wraps, you leave yourself susceptible to sprains, even broken wrists. When it comes to quality, Everlast is really where it's at. I've had these for over a year, and I do have the 180s as well. They do come in several different colors. Anybody who's trying to get into the sport of boxing, and it doesn't necessarily have to just be boxing as well. They have other wrist wraps, but these specifically are used for anybody who is in combat sports. I always recommend you support your wrist at the end of the day. Like I said, if you don't, you leave yourself susceptible to injury. It's better to be safe than sorry.